Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the smoke funnel. We'll just go ahead and place it inside our scene texture, make sure that we like it. So remember, you just go to scene, scene texture. And then I'm just going to go down to my smoke funnel and then click and drag the prefab into our scene. And then again, we just want to double check, make sure that everything looks like it blends well, matches well with what we currently have and how we're currently using it. So it looks like it. I mean, based on even just kind of how that's moving around, the look and feel of it with all the other objects. Yeah. So again, make sure that you're doing that with your scene. Make sure that if you do add it into a scene, that the colors work, the size works, scale works. And if it does, then just place it into your folder again. If you need to update your prefab, then just change your values and your numbers to be sure that it works really well with the objects and the elements that you have.